How to reactivate a deleted Facebook account after 30 days. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reactivate a deleted Facebook account after 30 days. To reactivate your main Facebook account, log into your Facebook account or use your Facebook account to log in somewhere else. To reactivate an additional Facebook profile, sign in to your main Facebook account. Then click your profile picture in the top right of the Facebook and select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. If Account Center is at the top left of your settings menu, you can reactivate your account through Account Center. To reactivate an additional Facebook profile through the Account Center, sign in to your main Facebook account. Now click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. After that, click Account Center at the top left of your screen and click Personal Details below Account Settings. Following that, click Account Ownership and Control and click Reactivation. Here, select the profile or account you wish to reactivate and follow the instructions on the screen. To reactivate an additional Facebook profile through your Facebook settings, sign in to your main Facebook account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook and select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Then, click Privacy, then click your profile information and reactivation. Lastly, select the page or profile you wish to reactivate and follow the instructions on the screen. If you can't remember your password, you can request a new one. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.